I'm working on a 2012 Cadillac SRX 3.6 liter, and I'm replacing the purge valve. Here's the part number right here. This is the number, original. So to get to the purge valve, you remove the air tube right here. You're gonna take out the throttle body. Now after you remove the throttle body, it should be right here. This is the purge valve right here. It has one connector and one hose. Unplug the connector. For the line, you're gonna press on the lock, press up right here. Pull it out. And I believe there's a 10mm right here. So I got the old one out right here. This is the new one. You want to check the connector too. Make sure it's not damaged or the wire, anything is damaged. If it's good, just put it back. Good enough. Plug the connector back. The line back. And put my throttle body, and then put the air tube back. The purge valve has a solenoid in here, controls the valve open and close. Purge valve should always be closed, never open. Now I'm gonna blow air through it. If you can hear air going through, then this valve is bad. You can hear the air going through either direction, so this purge valve is bad. The new one, you cannot blow air through it. I'm gonna show you the code. Purge valve, non-purge. For some reason, there's no on position for this car, so I have to start the car, and I'm gonna clear the code. It still worked, and that's it. So if you guys likes my video, leave it a thumbs up, comment down below, ask me anything you want to ask me. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Thank you.